A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar, class Junior KG, subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Cursive letters का revision. Now, tell me the first letter of alphabet. Very good. A. A for apple. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Write A. A for apple. See here. Put your pencil on the second blue line. Here. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. Then a loop between these two lines. A for apple. The spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Now tell me the next letter. B. B for ball. See here. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a slanting line. Again a slanting line. Semicircle. A loop. One more semicircle and stop here. B for ball. Speak with me. The spelling of ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Now tell me the next letter. C. C for cat. The spelling of cat is C-A-T. Cat. Now tell me the next letter. D. D for duck. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle and stop here. D for duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K. Duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. Draw a curve, semicircle, one more semicircle and stop here. E for elephant. The spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now the next letter is F. F for fish. Draw a curve, slanting line, one more curve, a sleeping line. F for fish. Speak with me. Fish. The spelling of fish F-I-S-H. Fish. Now come on the next letter. F के बाद क्या आता है children? G. G for grapes. See here. A curve, a semicircle, slanting line, one more curve. G. G for grapes. The spelling of grapes G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now tell me the next letter. H. H for house. See here. Two slanting lines and loop. H for house. The spelling of house H-O-U-S-E. House. Now the next letter is I. I for igloo. See here. I for igloo. The spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Now tell me the next letter. Very good. J. J for joker. See here. A curve, slanting, then again a slanting line, then a curved line. J for joker. Now the spelling of joker is J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Now the next letter. J for joker के बाद क्या आता है children? K. K for kite. See here. A curve, slanting line, one more curve. Curve line, loop, one more curve line. K for kite. The spelling of kite is K-I-T-E. Kite. Now tell me the next letter. L. L for lion. See here, draw a curved line, a loop, slanting line, one more loop, then a curved line. L for lion. The spelling of lion is Lion. Lion. Now tell me the next letter. M. M for monkey. See here, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, one more, and this is last slanting line. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is Monkey. Monkey. Now tell me the next letter. N. N for nest. See here, two slanting lines, and this is third slanting line. N for nest. The spelling of nest is Nest. Nest. Now come on the next. N for nest के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है children? O. O for owl. Draw a circle and stop here. O for owl. Now the next letter P. P for peacock. Slanting line, one more slanting line, semicircle, and stop here. P for peacock. The spelling of peacock is Peacock. Peacock. Now tell me the next letter. Q. Q for queen. Draw a circle, a loop, a curved line. Q for queen. The spelling of queen is Queen. Queen. Now the next letter is very good. R. R for rabbit. Slanting line, one more slanting line, semicircle, small loop, then curved line. R for rabbit. The spelling of rabbit is Rabbit. Rabbit. Now tell me the next letter. S. S for salad. See here, draw a slanting line, a loop, semicircle, and stop here. S for salad. The spelling of salad is Sailor. Salad. Now tell me the next letter. T. T for tap. See here, a curved line, slanting line, and again a curve. T for tap. The spelling of tap is TAP. Tap. Now T for tap के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है children? U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Now you have to match the dots and make the letter U. See here, put your pencil in the first blue line, draw a curve, one more curve, standing line, and again a curve. U for umbrella. Again, write with me. Curve, one more curve, small semicircle, standing line, and a curve. U for umbrella. Again curve, one more curve, standing line, and a curve. U for umbrella. Again, see here, curve, again curve, small semicircle, standing line, and a curve. U for umbrella. The spelling of umbrella, speak with me. Umbrella. Umbrella. Again write with me. From blue line you have to draw a curve. Again you have to draw a curve, semicircle, standing line, then a curve. Very good. U for umbrella. Again you have to write the U. U for umbrella. The spelling of umbrella is Umbrella. Umbrella. Now you have to write without tracing. You have not given a dots. यहाँ आपको dots given नहीं है. So you have to write. आपको क्या लिखना है children? Dots के बिना लिखना है. See here. put your pencil on the first blue line, draw a curve, one more curve, small semicircle, standing line, then again a curve. U for umbrella. Very good. Draw a curve, again a curve, small semicircle, then a standing line, then a curve. Very good. U for umbrella. Again last one more time. Curve, again curve, small semicircle, standing line, then a curved line. U for umbrella. Now what you have to do? Homework. You have to do the practice of cursive letter. Then you have to click a picture of it and send it to the school WhatsApp number. क्या करना है children आपको? कर्सिव लेटर्स का रिविजन करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.